Hey fam, you're welcome to day 8 of the 30 days no before ICAN challenge. Today we're going to be doing a DIY, do it yourself, practice they say makes perfect. So it's not just about learning, it's about actually putting all what you have learned to practice and being sure that okay, yes, you fully understood all that was taught. All right, so today we're going to be doing a DIY, do it yourself, for the executive summary section. We discussed the executive summary in day 6, so you can go back and check the video of day 6. That was where we discussed the executive summary. So today we're going to be doing a practical for you. So choose any past question of your choice, anyone at all that you like, and prepare the first paragraph of the executive summary section. So remember that I showed you from ICAN Pack, and I was telling you during the class that there are some things that they mark every diet that is always part of the marking guide. So I want you to prepare the first section, the first paragraph of the executive summary. Use those things to prepare that. I included it in the picture here. Hints, the ROAMS. If you don't really know what I'm talking about, go and watch the 6 so you can catch up. You have to keep watching everything according to the days because it's arranged. It's just like a house, building a house. You can't know the roof about the roofing if you have not yet done the foundation. So you have to start from the foundation. All right. So REMS, quickly, what does it mean? R stands for the summary of the requirement. O, the objectives, which is also the aims or the purpose of the report, which is to provide information for decision making. The A, assumptions. The M, methodology. And the S, your skepticism. So in this case now, you are to prepare the first paragraph. If you want to fully understand all these things, go and watch day 6. I explained it there. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow, day 9. Bye. Oh, quickly, before we go, when you finish what you have done or finish the practice, comment in this. Go to the comment section and drop it there. I used November 2024 diet. I used May 2024 diet. I used November 2019 diet. I just want to see what you have done. All right. Bye. See you tomorrow.